Hi, myself Sanjay Kumar, State Project Manager, Pedagogy and Learning Management. Uh, I'm posted in Jeevka for DDU-GKY program since 2014, and when I started my engagement in the skill development program, that was earlier it was called as Ajivka Skills. So after 2 years, it's again the scheme name came as DDU-GKY, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. So when I am relating the engagement of DDU-GKY program in Bihar, so basically it has two advantage compared to other state. This state is known as for migrant people, and our society, that is Jivka, is very conscious to say we are promoting migrant people, that needs to be skilled migrant people. So a skilled migrant has obviously it has by default relation with how we can providing skilled people through this kind of scheme. So this schemes has given tremendous effort to catalyze the rural youth from 18 to 35 years of age, how they can sharpen their employability skill so that they can more bargain into job sector. So this is the kind of engagement where we started. So right from mobilization support to placement engagement, Jivka with the help of different PIAs, we are working it, and Beable is one of the important partners with us. They are working with us, and their operational strategy management is very practical in nature. We have interacted with many alumni who completed their training from DDU-GKY, ARA Center of Beable training people. So they are very satisfied. About more than 30 to 35 candidates still, when I relating with the second installment which we have provided to Beable. During that period, their engagement when placement started in Hyderabad and Bangalore also and other location, we interacted with the candidates. Their their aspiration, their confidence is very satisfactory. I appreciated it, and also I try to interact with the people who place the candidates in different employment opportunity. So we try to compare with the demand versus supply side, ki how their expectation is whether we are meeting as per this training program, or whether the people who are getting employment opportunity, they are satisfied with the honorarium salary or working environment or not. So we tried it and we interacted with more than 10-20 candidates. They are very much satisfied, and I'm very happy to share with you some of them during that period. While having interaction with them, they shared it. They shared it. The majority 4-5 candidates empirically had vision to next 2 to 3 years they will go outside. That means they will work outside of the country for having these kind of engagement. And I'm happy to share with you that Beable people given more effort to align these kind of aspiration candidates, how they can work in overseas environment. So 4-5 candidates from Hyderabad location and different location also, they went and they shared the success story to us. In fact, that success story was shared with Ministry of Rural Development, and it was very much appreciated. And we always encourage to our PIA, our candidates also, as how we can more increase the number through overseas placement, so that they can maximize their employment opportunity. So this is the good effort taken by Beable. Other important component what I have seen through Beable people, they are compared to other agencies, they are more visible in the form of their activities, in the form of giving more rapport building in the community and to the candidates also. So they are engaging the ongoing training candidates with different exposure, resource person, lecture. So this is important component we always appreciate, and always I have in mind to, if you are expecting to make more confidence into the candidates, that confidence will not only come through the closed wall, that needs to be more exposure, more innovative activities, so that they can retain their intention and confidence into their engagement. So that is the you can say the reason by which peoples who completed their training from that training center, they are still engaged, and they are connected with the people from BABLE. Second, I have seen with the staff from BABLE, they are they are they have empathy in nature. They are not seeing these schemes as a traditional government schemes, that certain level of indicators we have to follow it, and then further we have to forget it. It is very different, and that is the beauty of this BABLE and basic society, that they always see these kind of target group and their beneficiary always in empathy in nature. So whether they are working or not working, they have very regular schedule phenomena. They will do regular communication with the candidates. They are trying to connect with the people who somewhere because of many reasons, because of COVID situation, because of health issue, because of family reason, they are returning back to their home. So this is also very different innovative ideas with basics people. Uh, I will. This is the third opinion I have given reference to my engagement as a contract manager and nodal officer. Uh, uh, Basic general, I can say general suggestion with all partners or any people who are expecting to excel into this ecosystem is how we are thinking that candidates to be treated differently. The first purpose is the target group is very different compared to normal target group. They are rural poorest to the poor, and they are coming to this sector because of they have no such economical status to continue their educational qualification and higher education. So they are coming back to this vocational education training program. They are expecting as soon as possible how they can start their earning. So agency needs to understand the emotion of that engagement. When that emotion can be justified by the project people from project side or government side, definitely it will impact to the candidates beneficiaries. It will result the better outcome in the form of good placement, in the form of good retention. This is the kind of suggestion I will try to give through this message. Second is reference to mobilization. Don't see this project as a very monolithic in nature. Always try to understand that if right candidate is not being selected, reference to mobilization to counseling, definitely it will impact to your objective as well as candidates career progression also. Somewhere we are miscounseling them. If we are miscounseling them, that definitely impact to your target versus achievement as well as that career that candidates career progression. So when that candidates will return back to the community, definitely they will say ki somewhere I was falsified by the people who are running these kind of schemes. So this is the first sensitive thing which needs to be taken care by the operational people. Right candidates to be engaged into right kind of a scheme. Second is reference to engagement of girls candidates. There is an opinion, it's a traditional kind of human nature in society that the women candidates not moving outside of their home. So we need to organize different level of workshop, different level of participatory engagement with the community, their family members, how you can convince their family members to send their girl's child to these kind of training centers, so that they can expose with the outer world. Because if you are expecting to see the developing society in the form of modern developing society, you need to give more exposure to our female candidates. So because of some historical traditional nature in our male and female disparities, we need to understand, and being as a development professional, we needs to prioritize this kind of nature, more female candidates to be engaged into this kind of skill ecosystem. And further, we also needs to uh, 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 provide a special drive for placement for female candidates. I have seen in Hyderabad, in Delhi also, in different location. But I interacted with Lemon Tree HR people. They are also saying ki we will appreciate if girls candidates from Bihar is coming for placement. So that demand is already existing. So how demand needs to be catered, it's our responsibility to polish it and further uh, give output for that demand. So this is the second, you can say, suggestion from my side. Third is related to quality infrastructure and manpower, reference to trainer, uh, reference to, we can say, good training and learning material. That definitely will give good interest area to the candidates, because DDU GKY program is providing theory versus practical, where theory is 60%, theory we are giving more preference, about 60%, not 60%, theory is 40% and 60% is practical. How we can give more practical training by having the updated version of equipments into that lab. How we can have candidates engagement into IT system. How that candidates, if somebody is graduating from that 3 to 4 months of training program, I assume that the candidates will be exposed with how he or she can write a mail, how he or she can have internet banking exposure, how he or she can book the ticket through apps and different location. So this is the basic thing which we are expecting through this IT world, and every person needs to be have this kind of exposure in this current system. So this is the last opinion from my side, and I think be able, from overall concluding point of view, doing excel in this ecosystem, and will appreciate, and all the best for their future. Thank you.